Hades got an upgrade, y'all. Took out that nasty bread box and gave him a new tank. What are you doing back there? He's got the glowing rocks, the glowing caves, his LED up there now. He freaking glows. Look at that glow. Look at you, boy. You so happy? Hi. Hello. Oh, I know, Poppy, you can't stand it that I'm over here. Oh my god. The cat's trying to climb me. Dude, stop. Don't need to climb me. I know you want up here, but Jesus. What, you want up here? Alright. What? Oh, you're jealous? You're not the center of attention? But anyways, yep. Hades got a glow up. Oh, he can't stand it. What? Hello. Oh, I see you. I know. I know. He's rubbing his face all over my camera. Because he's jealous as fuck. I love the whirring sound of a fish tank while you're trying to sleep. Oh my god, you are so obnoxious.